Hey, how you doing today? My name is Relyea, and thanks for stopping by. Today, we're going to be going over the Action Replay PowerSaves for Amiibo with the power tag, and this thing is a very cool little device. Using this power tag, you're going to be able to get all the data off of your Amiibos and put it into any game that has Amiibo functionality without even having to take it out of the box. This is something that's really exciting, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. The first thing you need to do is take your Amiibo PowerSaves base and plug it into your computer. There is a card provided with your Amiibo PowerSaves device which will take you to a website where you can download the instructions for your Amiibo PowerSaves. Once you download the instructions, it's going to tell you exactly where you need to go. Click the Amiibo dropdown at the top of the Code Junkies website, and then click on the PowerSaves Amiibo icon. On this next page, you'll scroll down to either Windows or Mac, and you'll download the software that you need. Once the installation is complete, you'll go ahead and open the file and install the software to be able to use your PowerSaves for Amiibo. Make sure to take note of where you're installing the PowerSaves because this is going to be important for later. Go ahead and click install and then open up the PowerSaves for Amiibo program. You're going to take that power tag and put it on top of the PowerSaves for Amiibo base. You're going to see that there's no Amiibo loaded and no save data as of yet. If you were to put one of your Amiibos that you already have on this thing, you can back up that information and save it right here using the backup functionality, and you can name it however you want. We're going to use this power tag button to upload any Amiibo bin file that we have on our computer onto this power tag. Currently we have no Amiibo bin files, so I'm going to show you how to use Amiibo bin files. Go to nfcbank.com. There's a link down in the description, and from here you're going to search for Amiibos. Specifically right now, I'm going to show you how to get all of the Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild Amiibo. All you have to do is scroll down to this Zelda category. Now search for the file name that you're looking for. This one says all 22 Zelda Amiibos. Once you click on this, go ahead and click on download all files. You really need to pay attention to this next step, or you need to be reading the instructions down in the description below. You have to save your bin files to a very specific location for your PowerSaves to read those files. What you want to do is take all of those bin files that you just downloaded, and you're going to save them to users, your username, which is whatever user you're logged into. In my case, it's actually the name user. And then you're going to create a file called PowerSaves for Amiibo. The exact wording is down in the description, and if it's not already created, you have to create this file and save all of your bin files there. Now, when you take that power tag and you put it onto the PowerSaves for Amiibo base, at first it's going to say there's no Amiibo. Click on the power tag and you'll be able to upload any one of those Amiibo bin files onto that power tag. Go ahead and upload that Amiibo bin file onto the power tag. You'll be able to use that power tag as if it were an Amiibo right away. Right here, you're going to see me use the power tag to summon a Full Hearts Wolf Link Amiibo. If you've never used an Amiibo before in Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, you may have to go to the options and turn on that functionality for the first time. From here, you can use your power tag to switch out which Amiibo that you're using over and over again to your heart's content. So this device is super exciting for a couple of reasons. The first reason it's super exciting is maybe you're a collector and you want to leave your Amiibo in the box. You want to use that data. Well, now you can download every Amiibo and use it in those games. The second reason is maybe you've got all your Amiibos on a display somewhere and you don't want to take them down. Now you don't have to take them down. You can have all of that Amiibo data on your computer and you can just switch the Amiibo around from one to the next. The third thing that makes this really awesome is that this is exactly how people were getting armor pieces like the Fierce Deity Link before the Amiibo ever even came out. You can go ahead and download that information online and you can use it in the game. I'm not endorsing it. I just thought that was really cool. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you found this tutorial helpful in any way, shape, or form, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow. If you haven't already picked up a PowerSaves and this looks cool, I have a link down in the description below. Go ahead and check that out and you're going to get hooked up. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. I will talk to you guys again more soon. It's a PowerSaves, not a power saver. I hope I didn't say that wrong.